the way forward for the new collaboration, I think, is in many different directions. First of all, I think the way forward is scientifically to see whether we can strengthen each other, and we will, in terms of joint research along the lines of infectious diseases, and in particular, of course, drug resistance in those diseases. That could be HIV, but also maybe tuberculosis and others. Secondly, I think we have the responsibility on our shoulders that we carry an enormous number of drug resistance data from Africa together, and we jointly have to cure it and make it accessible, and empower clinicians and empower lab technicians and empower other scientists to use those data, to understand those data, and to use those data particularly for clinical management of their patients. So I think we carry a joint responsibility, particularly for the Southern African region, to build capacity and to keep HIV drug resistance on the map.
This meeting has been very productive. As a PhD student, I learned a lot of innovative ways to analyze data from our colleagues from PASER, and this will help me in the future in terms of my own analysis and writing on my own papers, and I'm hoping that from now on we'll be able to write more collaborative papers that will increase our productivity.
Oh, we just completed a 2.5-day meeting between key representatives of the PASER network and the SATuRN network, two clinical networks that have been shown to become leading in surveillance, monitoring and clinical research on HIV drug resistance, a topic that will become increasingly important for public health as the access to HIV treatment is increasing in the region. And this meeting has been very productive to get to know each other, exchange ideas, and to build relationships that will become necessary to join forces, and the meeting has been very productive in that respect, and I think many good ideas came up, and we're all very willing to join strengths and to build on the experience we have in the two networks.
As a PhD student for PASER, it was wonderful to attend this 2.5-day meeting of SATuRN and PASER collaboration. As a PhD student, you're quite new to a field and you're working on a small subject, and it's great to meet people who are actually working on the same subject but still broaden up the field for you and share new insights, talk about everything's involved from very practical issues to very big issues, and eventually our shared goal to improve HIV care and focus on HIV drug resistance.